Hey, what's going on, everybody? Sadistic Lockpicker, and we are doing this lock backwards, just like we did the last CL. So here is Cajun Lockpicker's, what did he call this one? Just Cajun Lockpick is all I could see. But anyway, did some awesome core mods, which would be counter milling in the first, some threading in the second, counter milling plus some milling up to the sides for overset, and then threading in 4 and 5. So we are going to get this lock back together and then give a pick for everybody. I mean, hopefully, you know, that's always the goal. Well, if we can find our tweezers anyway. But yeah, I had picked this and figured, well, let's just gut it, put it back together, and then pick it for everybody. This lock was an extreme bit of fun. Cajun lock picker is always an exceptional little lock maker, CL lock maker. Every one that I've picked has been good, and there's been a couple that I haven't been able to pick too. Or at least on camera. This sure was a fun little pick. He made some excellent pins for this. Did some great work. Little Bible threading would have really made this devious, but then again, might have made it where you couldn't even open it. Sometimes too much is too much. Sometimes less is better, so I imagine that's probably why he kept this the way he did. Oh, let's shim it. Let's shim it and pick it. Or put it together, then pick it. Alright, let's get our TOK. And we're going to start in the front with a click on 1, click on 2, nothing really for 3. Click on 4. Oh, come on, 5. You know you want to participate. Little click on 5. We're going to go right back up front on 1. Another click on 1. Which might have been over. Might have just overset it. I can't remember if that's the overset trap now. Click on 4. Let's see. Click on 5. Go back to 4. There's click. Click on 1 again. Click on 2. I did overset that last one. Alright. Let's just start that over again. Let's just start over again. Sure, why not? Did something wrong there. Click on 1. Click on 2. Nothing for 3. Click on 4. Click on 5. It's a little set. And we're in a deep set. All right, nothing for 1, nothing for 2, nothing for 3. 4 is giving a little pushback. Let's get on top of that bend. Oh, we're stuck, and we are in them. And Cajun lockpick pick is done. All right, everybody, if you have enjoyed what you've seen here, which is some exceptional picking, make sure you hit the like button. If you like Cajun Lockpick CL and enjoyed my picking, make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed. And if you really, really enjoyed it, share it out with everybody you know, because we are trying to grow this channel. With a bigger channel, we get more things to do, more locks to pick, and, you know, grow. Just grow. All right, everybody, you know what to do. Yippee picking, y'all.